Hi everybody. This is third session, uh, creating a checklist and also adding a drop down. And after we add the drop down, and on my second session we talked about how to create a score table and how to add a count if, so you can able to count in each column, and also how to add up or sum up, and also adding a percentage. Okay, on this third session we're gonna talk about how to create a dashboard using the score table. Okay, to begin that we need another tab. You can come here and just click the plus sign to create another tab, and then we can name this tab as a dashboard. Okay. Um, in here, let me go back to the data. So using the to measure the score table, we are going to measure it by the different department. So the first thing I'm going to do is copy just the department, Control C, and then come to right here. I'm just gonna okay, so when you paste it, you just do right click, and then on the paste option, you could use the transpose. That will, instead of pasting it to the rows, you will pretty much drag it down to the column. So you know what I mean. I just copy it this way, and then come to the right click, and then pick this option. Then it will give you everything vertical. Okay, so now we have our department here. Okay, so I'm just gonna call this one department, just to make sure, so I'm not just giving it title. And then let's call this one a score. Okay, here is a score. So in warehouse our score was 35, right? So instead of going back and forwards, what you could do is you can just equal sign and then come here and click. Now you get your 35% in here, and you can do for everything the same way. So every time you make that will be weld for sub. Every time you make a change in the data here, you will update your dashboard, so you don't have to type it twice. Okay, and service, and you guys can change this to whatever data you guys working on. It's just a concept here. Okay, and then I get I don't know what I'm missing, but this is maintenance. Okay, this is I8, and I think I put the same thing, I8. So this should be J. Copy J. Okay. Alright, so make it a little bit prettier, presentable. shorter. Okay. One thing I might gonna do is just take the color out. Okay. So here is by your department. So let me just show to you. This one is 35%. Okay. So I'm just gonna go here and change this to OK. You see it changed to 38, 40, and then 43 and 46 right here. Come back at 46 here. Okay. So you guys can do it that way, and every time you work on this data, your dashboard will change. Okay, the next thing you could do is pretty much creating some kind of report. Let's say this is monthly, you capture this, so this could be your first month. Let's say this is January data, so you can keep updating this. Let's just create just a table, you know. I'm just gonna put here Jan. Okay, I'll put here February. I'll put March. Okay, and so on, right? So this will be your overall. Okay, and also you can add overall here too, just in case if you need it. Okay, just making it so you can do overall, and I'll show you like you can pretty much if you want it by average, what you can call this the average, and you can do it this way. So remember, make sure you look my previous video. I did talk about how to do average there, and then you can drag all the way here. Okay, so here is your average, and here, so you can capture the average of your overall every month. So let's say this month was 81, right? I'm just gonna put all this in percentage. Oops, I'm gonna come here in percentage. Sorry guys, let me take this back. I could do just easier way. Sure why show me. How about I do the 100. Oops. Okay, I'm not sure what happened, but here it is 81%. And then let's say the next month you guys did 76%. Okay, I don't know, I need to put this thing in percent. Come on. Okay, and then next one will be 90. and I don't know, 87. Okay, so you got this one in percentage overall by months. All right, so if you would like to chart this, you just highlight the whole thing so you guys can show a chart. You go insert, and then here you pick any different kind of chart, but this one is like based on your data. This is recommended. I'm just gonna use this one. You could do it here. You know, you can name this however you like, but you can show this by months. I'll talk about it, how to use a chart more and edit in the future, but this is the way you can do it. Or if you like, you can highlight this and then insert our data, and then also you can do it by department. Okay. One thing just to show to you, right here on the plus sign, you can add a label. Okay, when you click this, you can add the labels, which is it will give you what you have in here. Same thing in here, add a label. That'll give you a percentage in here. Alright guys, hope this is helpful to create some kind of report and keep updating your department or your managers or your teams. Alright, thank you, appreciate it.